Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you that how to copy entire files and folder location in Excel. So let's assume that, not assume, but we have some files over here. If you will see in this particular folder, so we have multiple files and folders, like we have VLC player here, we have Excel, and we have these for folder as well in this path. So suppose you will have to copy the entire file location along with the file name. So how can you do it? So what you will have to do, simply select complete files, press shift, then right click from your mouse, and then you will see this copy as a path option. Okay, I will move on to another sheet. Okay, so this is my folder. So it doesn't matter that how many files you have in this particular. Suppose if it has other files like PPT, text file, any kind of file. So you can easily copy entire file location along with the file name or folder name. So let's just like simply select all the files and folders using Control A, right? Once you will just select it, if you will press normal right click from your mouse, then you will not be able to see that copy as a path option. But if you will select everything and press shift, then right click from your mouse, then you will see these extra option, that is copy as a path. Once you will click over here, then it will copy entire file location along with the files and folder, and then you can go to the Excel file and you can paste it here. And if you want to just paste it notepad or anywhere, it is not like you can paste it only in Excel file, so you can paste it anywhere, right? So you will see that entire path has been copied. So you can do it like this, right? So this very simple thing you will have to do, that simply you need to select the files, press shift key, then right click from your mouse, then copy as a path and press paste it anywhere, right? And suppose you do not want this path like E and slash, you need only file name. So what you will have to do in this situation, so you need to just find out that we have a file that is a your report, it is in my E drive, and just copy that path, right, and select entire column, then press Ctrl H and find what here you will have to just paste that folder location, right, and then replace it with nothing. Once you will do it, then you will see that only file name is there. So if you need file name with the path, so you can use it, use this command. And if you need only file, so I have shown you that in this particular example, that how can you just exclude that or remove that, right? So in this way you can just copy entire files and folder location. So it could be happen that if you have to do it manually, then it will take lots of time. But if you know these tricks, then you can just do everything and do such kind of manipulation within a second, right? So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.